Hey guys, today we got an older unit. It's a ranch cab high model, fits the 94 to 01 Dodge Ram with a 6.4 bed. Red in color. This one's got some paint issues, scratches, nicks. A lot of the clear coat's peeling off on this. You can see the top here, the top edge just has a lot of clear coat peels, spots on it. Little nicks and scratches over pretty much all over. A lot of these clear coat spots were started because it has a nick or a scratch on it. So I don't know what happened. But looks like something ran across the top of this cap at one point in its life. Nicks and scratches there, nicks there, and there. On the bottom, doesn't look too bad there. There's a pretty good scratch right there. This is just, you know, it's not a pretty one, but it isn't bad looking either, so from a distance anyway. Half side sliders on the side, front sliding window. Paint on over here looks good. Now this did have a hole in the fiberglass, and we actually put some resin in there and filled that hole back in. It had a little crack and it went clear through, and we patched the inside, so never really going to see this anyways. Now at least you don't have to worry about it leaking in there. You see the top clear coat peel on the top with the edges chipped up there. It's just pretty much what it looks like all over the place. Couple chips there. Sliding window. Window slides open so you can access the cap from the cab and the cab from the cap. And close that back up like so. Some of on the sides of the paint's, you know, right there in those areas that don't look too bad, but like I said, it's even got scratches going different directions, so I don't really know what happened there. But wherever those scratches are, that's pretty much where the clear coat started to peel. Pretty good, decent scratch right there. A couple nicks right there on the edge. On the bottom here, you got nicks and scratches. Pretty much all the way through this thing. Right there they don't, but now we got back into more scratches. Half side slider on this side as well. Single T-handle locking rear door. Nicks and scratches on the back here. Looks like at one point in time this might have been replaced with plexiglass, but it looks pretty decent. It doesn't like it was a crappy job. There's seals still in it and everything, so I'm not really sure that might have been professionally replaced if it was. Screens look good on this side. Interior is just bare fiberglass. On this side, the screen has a little tear in it there. And then looks pretty good through here. And we've got another hole right there. And a little snag right there. So it is just bare fiberglass on the inside. Nothing real special on this cap. There it is. Got a cab high fiberglass ranch model, red in color. It's the 1994 to 2001 Dodge Ram with a short bed, 6.5 foot bed. Below is a link to this unit on our website. So you can click that link, see which location it is, how much it is, purchase it online, make arrangements to pick it up. That can all be done from that link there. There's also a link to our website in general. So you're just looking for cap repair parts, clamps, tapes, seals, locks, bed storage solutions, ladder racks, lift kits. Those can all be purchased from us as well. If you're looking for something specific for your truck, a certain style truck, cap style, color, what have you, you want to, we upload to YouTube and our website as soon as inventory comes in. So you want to hit the subscribe button to stay up to date on that inventory as it gets here. As with all our truck apps, they are local pickup only. We do not ship these. You'll need to make arrangements to pick these up at one of our locations. Thanks for watching.